tune style now, mate. I'm just going to sit in my face thing, right?
It's actually good.
Is this?
Yes, man.
This is a good party, isn't it, mate?
Aye, man. Banging.
Banging beats. Come on, do your MC for it.
Yes.
Do your MC for
Ash,
it,
do it.
Whoa!
Oh, what the hell? Oh.
What the hell? What the hell was that?
That sounds like your door opening.
Wait there, I'll go and check, mate. Oh my god, it's a ghost! It's a ghost!
I'm the one freak out. Are you?
That boy MD's hit me funny.
I'm sure that wasn't a ghost of you. What?
Wow.
As?
I'm the ghost coming out on your rose.
Where did you come from?
Furthermore, with a flowball sitting puppy in a school.
Can you walk through walls? Are you a real ghost?
I
I
know.
just told you I walked through the wall to get here.
That's Tiffy.
I think he's at a whitey.
Well, Victor, nah, that's not me, mate.
Yeah, yeah, if you're wee whitey Victor.
Wait, Victor, I'll come over there and rip your lungs out, you wee legal junkie.
Anyway, that and I'll shadow box you.
Haha, Shadowbox, shut up, man. Haha, Shadowbox a lot like you see a ghost, mate. Go ahead to say.
What family you got?
The Addams family.
Can understand why you're a ghost. That part was ancient.
How old actually are you?
327 years old.
How did you die?
Got hit with a lorry.
Aye, a parked lorry.
No, the big man hit me in the face and killed me. Got ran over by a parked lorry, mate. Right, what he's wanting anyway?
Well, you hadn't you arrived here?
I know.
I don't even know what I said now.
What's the scariest thing you can do?
Kill me.
Can't touch me.
All you'd have to do is look in a mirror to kill me.
How can I look in a mirror to kill you if you're seeing your own reflection, you dimwit?
Is he actually real or are we just steaming, you think?
I don't know.
I'm real, do you want to see me?
How can I
I'll come
see
out,
you?
right, I'll come out. Right, can you see me?
Mate, that keyboard's floating.
Yeah.
Ah!
Oh man, that keyboard's still floating.
That mad keyboard's floating at the water.